So the question about how it got developed so quickly, so that was a question that I hadn't really thought about, but then once someone answered it, it was like, yeah, well, that makes sense, because normally, in vaccines, I thought it took about 4 to 5 years before you actually come up with a vaccine.
We answer questions about how safe something is with time or with the number of people or a combination of the two. And so the measure that we use is person years. So if we have a study with one person, like yourself, you might say if you're wearing a Fitbit watch, we want to measure how many steps you do and how it impacts your health. We might need 10 years of following you to be able to make reliable predictions from that. If we had 10 people, we could follow them for 1 year. If we had 100, we could follow them for 1/10 of a year.
How they explained the processes, and because of the huge numbers of people involved with COVID, that's sort of what helped the process of getting this vaccine through so quickly.
The more people we have, the shorter the duration of study time that we need. So although the time to develop the vaccine has been fast in comparison with other vaccines, although the time is less, we have tens of thousands more than we would in other vaccine studies. So the Pfizer vaccine, the initial study from which it gained approval had 40,000 people in it.
Yeah, I didn't even know that there were different types of vaccines. I thought it was all just one vaccine and they were dishing it out. So that was real big help in understanding what the vaccines are, and it's hard to explain unless you sort of listen to the information. I'm not a doctor, so I can't come blurt on about it, but the information that was given by doctors was definitely the tipping point for me to come and get the vaccine today.